All right, so we're still here in Georgia camping, and as you can hear, it's raining pretty hard, but we're gonna make one more drink for you. And this is called a Navy Grog. I've got my, I can't think of what this is called, my shaker full of ice. I'm going to just put some white rum, just an ounce, in here. Just one shot full. And I'm using up the end of my white rum. I'm going to use the same amount of dark rum. I read that they started this to get vitamins in the British when they were coming over on ships, so they would head off scurvy. So that's pretty interesting. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon in here. Okay. Now I'm going to, it's coming down hard. Put one shot of grapefruit juice. Holy mackerel, that rain is really coming down. I'm going to shake that up. Oh, you know what I forgot? It's pretty important. Sorry. Distracted by all this rain. There's one shot of honey. Can't forget that. That's pretty important. Okay. And shake that up. I'm going to shake it pretty good because there's honey in it. Alright. Fingers are about ready to freeze off. I'm going to pour this into my glass. I'm just going to top it off with, doubt the British have this, but we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of it. Just a little bit of soda water. And then I'm going to garnish it. A couple of these black cherries. Oh, they're sinking. An orange wedge, just sinking. And a mint spread. And that is a Navy Grog. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Oh, that's delicious. And it's so good. It's so refreshing. It's so good. If you like rum drinks, you're going to love it. If you don't like rum drinks, you're still going to love it because it's really, really good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And again, I apologize for all the rain.